Hey everyone, welcome back to Dynamics 365 Universe, your go-to place for all things low-code, AI, and Microsoft tech. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because today's topic could literally transform your career. Imagine building apps, automating your daily work, or creating your very own AI chatbot, without writing a single line of code. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Introducing the Microsoft Power Up program, a free, beginner-friendly learning path designed for people from non-technical backgrounds. Yes, you heard that right, no coding or IT experience is needed. Whether you're working in HR, sales, finance, customer support, or you're just someone looking to switch careers, this program is tailor-made for you. It's self-paced, flexible, and packed with real-world tools that Microsoft professionals use every day. Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and the latest Copilot Studio for building intelligent chatbots. You'll get structured learning over 8 weeks. Here's a taste of what you'll learn: how to build fully functional apps with Power Apps. Automate your boring tasks using Power Automate. Create stunning dashboards with Power BI. And with Copilot Studio, you'll even design AI-powered agents that can answer questions or complete tasks, just like a real human. Now let's talk about the cherry on top: free access to Microsoft's premium developer environments. A global community of mentors and learners. Live Q&A sessions and networking groups. Checkmark and the big one: free vouchers for Microsoft certifications like Place 900 and Place 100. That's real money saved, and real credibility earned on your resume and LinkedIn. In 2025, Microsoft has made it even easier. The curriculum is now video-led and only 6 hours a week. They've added new Copilot Studio modules. And they've partnered with experts to bring in app-in-a-day workshops. So if you've been on the fence, this is the sign you've been waiting for. Ready to power up? Just go to powerup.microsoft.com, sign up, and start learning at your own pace. You'll get access to your own dev environment, interactive lessons, and a community that lifts you up every step of the way. So whether you're upskilling for your current job or eyeing a role in tech, the Microsoft Power Up program is your free, golden opportunity. Start today, build tomorrow, because your future in tech doesn't have to wait. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs this, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world tech guidance. Thanks for watching, and go power up your potential.